Hello everybody, I'm Rosalia Pereira. Welcome to the Detalles. The Christmas tree has been part of the Christmas tradition for a long time. Though traditional, we don't have to decorate with it every year. In choosing special holiday keepsakes, I opted for a few unique statement pieces versus traditional Christmas ornaments. Following my personal love of nutcrackers and elves, this year I used an oversized nutcracker as the feature decoration for my home and skipped the tree altogether. I wanted to draw attention to the ceiling beam. I set the giant nutcracker that has been part of my children's Christmas for many years on top of a round table for additional height. He is the first thing you see as you enter the home. I added festive apple green and traditional red and gold balls ornaments, along with some cherry branches for texture and another pop of Christmas color. The table with the nutcracker looks like a giant cupcake in the room. I love it. An open floor plan means Christmas decorations can spill over into other rooms. The dining area and kitchen were decorated with some bowls filled with ornaments and greenery. You can find Christmas wreaths everywhere and in any theme. For the exterior, I wanted mine to be special to me, so I made my own. I layered 2 twig wreaths for bulk and added 3 different ribbons, greenery and cherry branches, and finish it off with a nutcracker as the centerpiece of the wreath. I love how it turned out. Give some of the traditions a twist this year. Merry Christmas. As always, remember to have fun and make it beautiful.